In the Arabic language, we don't have R as right, but we have R as right. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 7 letters in Arabic alphabet. Today, with 4 more letters. Let's have fun. Each 2 letters, they are look-alike, also same family. The first letter and number 8 in Arabic alphabet is letter Dal. 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 Now you can guess the pronunciation of Dal is same sound of D in English, or letter D, like in the word dad. It's easy to pronounce and write. Let's see first how to write it. You start from the top of the line and form a right angle. But this shape, as you can see, does not dip beneath the line. Repeat after me. Dal, dal, dal. D. The second letter and number 9 in Arabic alphabet is letter Thal. 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 It's same pronunciation of TH in the English word there. Let's see first how to write it. It's look like the previous letter. The only difference between Dal and Thal is the dot that comes on top of the letter. Repeat after me. Thal. 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 There. But remember, we have learned another letter corresponding to TH sound in English, which is letter Tha. Notice, Tha is a voiceless sound. Same TH in English word 3, but Thal is a voiced sound, as in TH in the English word there or tha. Moving to 2 more letters today, which are look-alike, also same family. Third letter and number 10 in Arabic alphabet is letter Ra. 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 It's same pronunciation of R in the word ring in English, but it's a flapping letter. That means you should say it as R. R. Clear one, not R. R. We don't have the in Arabic, but we have Ra, which is clear one. Hope it's easy. Let's see how to write it. This letter dips beneath the line. Not same Dal and Thal that does not dip beneath the line. Repeat after me. Ra. 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 R. Okay, last letter today, and number 11 in Arabic alphabet is letter Zay. 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 It's an easy letter because it has equivalent sound in English, which is letter Z. Same letter Z in the English word zoo. Let's see how to write it. It's look like the previous letter. Start from the top, dip it beneath the line. Then put dot on top. So the only difference between Ra and Zay is the dot that comes on top of the symbol. And now let's practice how to say some words. But as you know, we will mix letters between today's lesson and the previous ones. Zay. Alif. Ra. Zay. Alif. Ra. Z. A. R. Z. A. R. Zar. 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 Another word. Ba. Alif. Ra. Ba. Alif. Ra. Ba. A. Ra. Ba. A. Ra. Bar. Bar. Another word. Ra. Ba. راء باء راء ب رب 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 خاء باء راء خاء باء راء خ ب ر خ ب ر خبر خبر خبر. Another word. دال راء باء دال راء باء د ر ب درب درب درب. Great! Here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos for more. And there is the subscribe button. Perhaps you can enjoy Arabic with me again. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.